Yo, what up everybody? Today we're gonna finally be adding the vortex generator, and the vortex generator is gonna be on here. I already went ahead and added some rubbing alcohol into a microfiber towel. I went ahead and right now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the surface here, and I already used an all-purpose cleaner, and we're just gonna go ahead and install this vortex generator. And right there, let's see, where is it? Boom, just came in. We're about to that, and so I'm fucking excited. This car is gonna get so much fucking cleaner, so I'm fucking excited. We're just gonna go ahead and wipe like those fucking people. Wipe it down. Fucking probably do some shit like that with the car, huh? From a before and after, that would look fucking sick. So we're just gonna go ahead and make sure it's nice and clean. Before we put it in, there is 3M sided tape on the vortex generator. Either it's on separately and I have to put it on the vortex generator, or it's already on it. We're about to find out. What up everybody? So I'm outside in this beautiful fucking weather. Got my microfiber towel, the most important fucking thing. Boom, the vortex generator and this fucking box. Oh yeah, another thing that you're gonna need to open is a fucking knife. So let's just go ahead and open this up.
Remember, safety, always cut away from you.
Go ahead and open her up. Put it right here. Oh fuck, I see it. Fuck. Oh. Yeah. I'm so excited. Look at that. Vortex generator. Boom. 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 All right. And as I can see here, there is no 3M tape on it already. It did come with 3M tape. And a nice good roll. Looks decent, it looks nice. And we're just gonna go ahead. Let's just go ahead and install this. All right. So we're just gonna go ahead and install the 3M tape onto the diffuser. All right, so what I did here, I went ahead and put it out on the outsides. As you can see, some of them is not really perfect. Honestly, just the reason why I did that is because I had to cut a few pieces here and there, and I cut a little bit here so I could put here so it's not just all missing. They didn't really give me enough 3M tape. Subi Speed, I would really highly recommend on giving us more so we can add more coverage to it, so we can cover here, and outsides, not just the front and back. Honestly, that's what I honestly prefer, you know. So Subi Speed, if you're watching, really apply some more 3M tape. I would really highly like that just for us guys who just prefer more secureness. So that's how it looks. Also too, when you're putting on this, the 3M tape, try to kind of leave a little bit of gappage on the outside, just so that water don't just seep through or get you know blocked in or anything like that. So let's go ahead and install this baby. So before I put this on, what I'm gonna do is just test fit it, make sure everything fits okay. If I need to remove the 3M tape, if it's adding too much to anything, if it's leaving it, you know, abnormal. So I'm just gonna go ahead and test fit this now. All right, so what I did here is that when I added the 3M tape, I did take it a little bit of the tape off so I could be able to pull it and add pressure to it. And so I did it with all of them here. So far so good. Let's just go ahead and put pressure on it and take it off and we should be good. And there you have it, the Vortex generator. Honestly, it looks fucking clean. The install was super easy. One thing is to keep in mind is to make sure that there is it's got like a line mark that tucks inside to this, and make sure you just go ahead and you press that down, and that goes all the way pressed in. And then overall, what I did is just that I just put pressure around with where I remember putting the 3M tape on. I did over a few more times just to be sure. I mean, there is no gappage on here whatsoever. It fucking fit the car with this roundness on the roof so well. And you know, and it fucking fits nice. Look at that. Whoa. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That looks fucking mean. Hell yeah. Whew. Now let me tell you guys, this install was super easy as well. It's just a basically stick on. There's no bolts, you're not drilling holes or anything like that. All you're doing is just, you know, grabbing 3M tape, you know, put it right on it, and then it was easy as fuck. Just put pressure on it and you're fucking good. The more precautious that you're doing things, the more easier it's for you, and also too, the easier the install is. Honestly, the install came out fucking great. I mean, that's just, now looking from the back, it just looks fucking gorgeous. I mean, you gotta look. I mean, fuck yeah. It looks fucking clean. It looks good. The car's looking better. Like I would always say, one step closer to the modded car that I want. Slammed as fuck and everything. Soon, and I got the time, fuck, I might put a full ass fucking Rocket Bunny body kit, white body kit. Oh man, it's gonna look even cleaner. So yeah. So thank you everyone for watching this video. This video was a pretty short video. It wasn't too hard. This honestly took me about 20 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, just because I like to be perfect on everything, make sure everything is stable. But as an overall, this install was super easy. More parts coming soon to install this STI sooner than you thought, sooner than you think, I should say. And fuck, I'm excited. And also too, it's just the one thing that I do love the most, carbon fiber. I mean, who doesn't love carbon fiber? I know I fucking do. So yeah, that's it was pretty quick, super easy, short video. with the vortex generator. Nothing going too crazy or anything like that. So if you guys like this video, hit that like button. If you guys want to see more fucking videos like this, you know, on parts, you know, on anything, whatever the fuck I'm doing, it could be a fucking sticker, you know, before putting on a sticker and putting it don't fucking matter. You know, I'm gonna be posting shit like that, smallest things and everything. And so yeah, so go ahead, hit that subscribe button to see some more. All right guys, I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Peace out. Peace.